How to disconnect phone contacts from Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect your phone contacts from Instagram. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, of course, open up the Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once on your profile, tap on the menu button on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then select Settings. Now in this next menu, tap on Account, then tap on Contacts Syncing. Now on this option you can see it says Connect Contacts. To turn it off, you just need to switch it to the left, which mine already was. But as you can see, when I turn it on, it says Allow Instagram to access your contacts. So on this, I'm going to tap on Deny because I don't want them to. And so it's just turned it off again. So the toggle is blue when it's turned on and it's grey when it's switched off. And that's all it takes to disconnect phone contacts from Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.